Yes, students, today we will study about that conversion of units. Of just units include length, that is meter, mass, gram, and capacity, that is liter. So today we learn about the conversion of these three measurements. So this is the chart for you. Like you can learn it by K, that is kangaroo humping down on base meter, because we are studying under three measurements, that is meter, gram and liter. So firstly we are talking about base meter. So kangaroo humping down on base meter don't care much. So this is just a way for you to learn the things very properly about, because the K, that is for kilometer if we are working under base meter. So K will be kilometer. Humping, H, that is hectometer. Down, that is decameter. Base is meter, then decimeter. Care, C, that is centimeter. Much, much, that is M, and that is millimeter. So keep in mind that we are working firstly on the base M. So that is kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So this is a code for you to learn it properly, that KHD, kangaroo humping down, then base on which you are working, that is meter, then don't care much. So this you have to learn, and now we come to learn that how we work on it. And now you have to just make a cycle like this, that if you are going forward, that how many steps you going forward, that you will be multiplied it by 10, and if you are coming backward, then it will be divided by 10. Like when we are going kilometer to hectometer, then you will multiply it by 10. If we are going to just kilometer to decameter, then we are going 2 steps forward, then it will be 10 multiplied by 10, that is 100. So likewise, if you are going to hectometer to decameter, the same multiply by 10. Let's clear it with some example. Like here, the first example, that is 3 meter to meter. You have to convert 3 kilometer to meter. Then you are on the kilometer and you have to go on meter. That आप किलोमीटर पे हो एंड आपको मीटर पे जाना है, मीन्स यू हैव टू जस्ट गोइंग 3 steps forward. So that is 10 multiply by 10 multiply by 10, that is 1000. So it means that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So if you are going to kilometer to meter, then you have to cover 1000 meters. Then what it will be, then how much kilometer in 3 kilometer, that is 3 multiplied by 1000 meter, that is 3000 meter. So answer is 3000 meter. So likewise 428 millimeter to meter. 428 millimeter means you are here, that millimeter, and you are here and you have to go on meter. Meter means 3 steps back. So you will be divided it by 1000, because for 1 step we'll divide by 10, then for 2 steps divide by 100, and for 3 steps divide by 1000. So you will be divided, it means that 1 millimeter is equals to 1 upon 1000 meter. So now you have to convert 428 millimeter into meter. So what it will be, 428 upon 1000 meters. Then you have to put decimal according to that. We have 3 zeros. According to this we will put sign just 3 steps back, 8 2 4, then decimal, then it is 0.428 meter. So the answer is 0.428 meter. The next is 90 millimeter to centimeter, means you are on millimeter and you have to convert it into the centimeter. So to make it in a centimeter you have to come just one step back. तो आपको one step back आना है. For the one step back you have to divide it by 10. It means that you have 90 millimeter to centimeter, and when we are going on that millimeter to centimeter we have to divide by 10. Then 90 millimeter is equals to 90 upon 10 centimeter. Then it will be cut 0 to 0, then 9 centimeter will be the answer. So the answer is 9 centimeter. Likewise the next, that is 2.9 meter to centimeter, means you are on the meter and you have to convert it into the centimeter, means you are on the base, that is meter, and you have to convert it into the centimeter, means you have to go 2 steps forward. So when you are going the forward you will do the multiplication. तो आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, एंड हाउ मेनी स्टेप्स है, 2 स्टेप्स, सो दैट इज 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10, it means 100. So with 100 you have to do multiplication. Then 2.9 meter multiply by 100. That is, from here we get divide by 10. 29 multiply by 10, that is 290 centimeter. So the answer is 290 centimeter. So likewise the same, kangaroo humping down on base gram, don't care much. Then that time we have to just write here gram. We are working on gram the same way. When we are going forward you do multiplication, multiply by 10, multiply by 10. Likewise the same, that how many steps you are going forward, according to that you will get the multiplication by 10. And when you are coming backward then it's divide by 10. Then the same as that liter, kangaroo humping down on base liter, don't care much. The same, kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter, sorry. The same as when you are going forward, multiply by 10, backward, divide by 10. Just like here it will be some examples, like 1 hectogram is equals to dash gram. You have to find out that 1 hectogram is equals to dash gram, that how many grams in 1 hectogram. Hectogram, you are on the hectogram and you have to convert into the gram. Then you are going the 2 steps forward, that is 10 multiplied by 10, then it will be 100 gram. The same, the next you have to find out that how many kilograms in 1 centigram. Then you means you are on the centigram and you have to find that how many kilograms in 1 centigram. Kilogram means that you are just going backward, and how many steps you are going backward, that is 1 2 3 4 5. It means 10 1 2 3 4 5. This thing you have to multiply. Then 1 centigram is, sorry, divide, that it is 1 upon 1 2 3 4 5, that it means 10,000. Then to find out that how many kilograms in 1 centigram, you are going backward, so you will divide by 1 upon this 10,000. Then next is you have to find out that how many decaliter in 1 deciliter. Keep in mind that is decaliter and this is, sorry, decaliter and this is deciliter. The same way decagram, decigram. And when you find out that how many decaliter in 1 deciliter, decaliter to deciliter, sorry, deciliter to decaliter, means you are coming backward and 2 steps backward, that means you are divided by 100. And when you are just moving forward, decaliter to deciliter, 2 steps forward, that means you will multiply it by 100.